What up, world? It's Eternal Authenticity, broadcasting live, Sky Blackwell, Eternal Authenticity. And I'm out here, my messages, get some sunshine, get some fresh air, get out here with the trees, with the animals, with the birds, with the ladybugs, butterflies, get some sunshine, get some time outside. Make sure you're not always indoors in an office or in an apartment or in a house. Make sure you have time outdoors. You have time to relax, time to be in nature, different types of nature places. Go into different nature spaces. Sky Blackwell, Eternal Authenticity. I love going hiking. I love running, walking. I love going to the beach. I love going to different parks and forests and jungles and, rivers and lakes and, deserts and caves and mountains and all of that. I love nature. I love earth. I love God. So this is my message. Make sure you get outside. Don't be indoors, trapped, stuck inside the box. Don't be stuck inside a cage. You need to connect to the earth. Put your feet into the soil, into the grass, into the earth, barefoot. Connect with the source, with God energy. So let go of the concrete jungle. Let go of the concrete jungle. Noises like that, the airplane, let go of that. Let go of the concrete jungle. Let go of the artificial life. Let go of the artificial concrete jungle life. Be on the natural godly path and get outside. That's my message. Sky Blackwell, Eternal Authenticity. Peace.